Meaning of heliotrope.
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 Heliotrope. Heliotrope is a noun that can refer to either a type of plant with fragrant purple flowers or a mineral that is typically green and translucent. The word has Greek origins and can be broken down into helios meaning sun and tropion meaning to turn. Thus, the name heliotrope is often associated with things that are related to the sun, such as sunflowers or solar power. Despite its varied meanings, heliotrope is most commonly used to refer to the mineral, which is often used in jewelry making due to its beautiful color and unique properties.